Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change home and work address in Google Maps app. So this method works on both iOS and Android. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open your Google Maps app. Then at the top right corner, click your profile button right here. So the menu appeared. In the menu, click the settings and then here we need to select edit home and work. So select that. Then it will bring you to the page where the home and work addresses. All you need to do is click the home and you will need to enter your home address that you want to put. And then here you can choose on map, like pin it here like this. Then save it. So yeah, that's it. And then here again the work address. Example, here I work from here. I will pin it just like that. Then save it again. So then we go back. See right here on my map, there's my home and there's my work and home addresses. So that's basically how you change your home and work address in Google Maps. So thanks for watching, and by the way, if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below in the description. When you click one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.